guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ananya. So today in this video I am going to give you the tutorial of a free preset named Retro Aesthetic, which is obviously a Lightroom preset. So by the end of this video you will be able to know how to edit pictures like these. And without wasting much time, let's get started. But before moving towards the video, please ensure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon for the updates, because very soon I would be uploading few of the photography hacks and self-portrait ideas and editing tutorials, also few more presets maybe. So just ensure that you have subscribed and hit the bell icon for the updates. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Now we will move to the light section, where we will increase the exposure to around 0.53 EV, around that, and we will decrease the contrast and highlights to -60 and -70. Basically these three depends from picture to picture or varies from picture to picture, because every picture has their own exposure, contrast and highlights. So according to the picture we have to adjust. But these, whatever I am telling you, is the basic thing, that around that will only be the variations. And now we will increase the three shadows, whites and blacks, which actually makes the picture look more brighter. So now we will move to the curve section, where we will be handling the highlights and exposure basically. So the upper right corner is for the exposure and the lower left corner is for the highlights. So we will be decreasing the exposure and increasing a bit of highlights and make the curve in the similar way. And now we move to the white balance, where we will be handling the temperature, tint, saturation and vibrance, which basically makes the picture look more vibrant, more warmer and more beautiful. So we will increase the temperature and tint very minute numbers, and then we will also increase the vibrance and saturation to 2 digit 13 and 16. Now we will handle all the colors individually in the color mix palette. Okay, we will be handling only orange and yellow, so others will be remaining as it is. So orange is basically for the skin tone color, where we will be increasing the hue and decreasing the luminance and saturation to adjust your skin color. Now when we move to yellow, we will be decreasing the hue and increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance, which makes the picture look very vibrant, and the other colors will remain as it is. We will not touch any other color except orange and yellow. Now we will move to the effect section, where we will be handling with texture, clarity, dehaze and vintage. So the first three option will be plus, and the last option vintage will be minus. Okay, these four are the hearts of this aesthetic filter. These four only makes the picture look very retro as well as aesthetic. So after decreasing vintage, we need to adjust the midpoint, roundness, feather, highlights according to the picture, like according to you basically, how much you like. So according to that you have to adjust. Another important part of the filter preset is the grain amount. We have to increase to a huge amount, or a huge number, like 54. To 54 we have to increase the grain amount, and the size and roughness would be as it is. So now we will just detail our picture by increasing the sharpness to around +29, and the radius and other detail will be remain as it is. This is the before and this is the after of the picture. Let's take another example. Now we will go to the preset section and choose for the retro aesthetic preset that we have created in previous time, that we have saved, and apply it here. Now you can see how it turned out, and this is the before and after of the picture. So it is another example. So I told you that for every picture the contrast and highlights and exposure varies. So after applying the preset that I have saved before, I am going to increase the contrast and highlights to make it look more better, and according to that picture I am going to adjust, and now I am done, and this is the final look. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you understood the tutorial well. So if any queries about this tutorial or anything, so just please comment down below. I will be definitely answering all your queries and doubts. So I hope you like this video. So do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As I told, I will be uploading a lot many more like this in future. So just stay tuned. Bye.